Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're shedding light on the GooingTop LED Grow Light, a game changer for indoor gardening enthusiasts. Let's jump right into why this product is a must-have. At first glance, the GooingTop LED Grow Light boasts a sleek design and sturdy build. With its 50W output and 6000K full-spectrum lighting, it provides optimal conditions for seedlings and plant growth, mimicking natural sunlight. But what sets this grow light apart is its customizable features. With timer functions offering 4, 8, and 12-hour settings, you have full control over your plant's lighting schedule, ensuring they receive the perfect amount of light for healthy growth. Equipped with 10 red and 74 white LEDs, this light provides a balanced spectrum ideal for all stages of plant growth. Plus, with a color rendering index of 95, your plants will thrive under this flicker-free, soft light. And let's talk about versatility. The flexible gooseneck design allows you to position the light at any angle, providing optimal coverage for your plants. Whether you're starting seeds or nurturing mature plants, this grow light has you covered. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: energy efficiency. Despite its powerful output, the GooingTop LED Grow Light consumes just 10 watts of power, making it an eco-friendly and cost-effective choice for indoor gardening. So there you have it, folks. The GooingTop LED Grow Light ticks all the boxes: functionality, versatility, and efficiency. If you're serious about seed starting or maintaining healthy indoor plants year-round, this is the ultimate solution. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy gardening!